Ahmedabad ho gaya, I am Bangalore ho gaya, and FMS is also there. Let me just check with Kirti. Hi Kirti, are you on?
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear. Kirti, welcome. Guys, please welcome Kirti from I am Calcutta.
How are you, sir?
Good seeing you. Long time, long time. We will connect over the call later on. Great. All right. और कौन है? कीर्ति आ गया, मोइनाक आ गया, and सागर कहाँ रह गया भाई? FMS वाला. Where is Sagar? Hi Sagar, welcome on board. Can you hear me? सागर शायद आई थिंक स्टिल वेट कर रहा है ज्वाइन करने के लिए बिकॉज हाउस फुल हो चुका है. ऑलराइट बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, लेट्स बिगिन एंड वेलकम टू ऑल दीज मेंटर्स एट कैट किंग फैमिली. इंशाल्लाह तुम भी ऐसे हमारी फैमिली के मेंबर्स बनोगे. आज हम बात करेंगे दी डे ट्रिप्स ऑन दी डे एक्सपीरियंस एनी मिसहैप. विल गो वन बाय वन. विल स्पेंड 15-20 minutes with them and towards the end we'll have all your teachers coming in and talking to you. So let's begin and we'll talk about D-Day tips. Ankita, let's begin with you. Ankita, what are your D-Day tips for them? D-Day tips are general experiences and then we'll go to the उस दिन एग्जाम में क्या हुआ था. We'll talk about mishaps and we'll talk about the last 30 day suggestions. Ankita, I'll start with you. What are your D-Day trips?
So I think firstly for the prep for the D-Day starts the day before. So I would say to prepare for the D-Day, please keep yourself calm. Don't over stress and don't study anything that day. As far as possible, if you want to revise some formula shortcuts, that's okay, but don't like study for like 7 hours, 8 hours, because that will demotivate you, I believe. And also one more thing which you have to do for the D-Day is like keep your documents in place one day before. Don't keep it like just एक घंटा पहले जा रहे हैं and print out करा रहे हैं. Please don't do that, because there will be a lot of stress at that time. So don't do that. From the exam perspective for the D-Day, I would say कि when you're giving the exam, remember you always have an option to leave if you're not sure. So go for accuracy rather than number of attempts. Do not think कि सबको सारे questions करेंगे engineers तो कितना कौन में बहुत ज़्यादा attempt करेंगे, मेरा कहाँ से percentile आएगा, doesn't matter. You will, however much you attempt, you will not be able to compete with the engineers if you are a non-engineer. So जितना कर रहे हो वो accurately करो and get score there. Super. Even if you do 95, 96 आ जाएगा if you're doing it accurately, whatever you're attempting. So Super. Go for accuracy rather than attempts and practice to let go of the questions in case it is not, if you're not able to solve it within first few minutes.
Super. So know your strength. Engineer, non-engineers, Ankita being from IIM Ahmedabad, she's telling you know your strength. 96 आ जाएगा, 98 आ जाएगा. एक बंदा जो पहले कैट दे चुका है उसका अगर 99.9 है तो तुम्हारा 99 फिर भी आ सकता है. So know your strength, know your accuracy. बहुत बढ़िया बात बोली है. Let me go to Swati. Swati is joining in from IIM Bangalore. Swati, what's your tip for D-Day? Swati is the graduate of IIM Bangalore, now running her own startup. Swati, बताइए.
Hi everyone, thanks sir for asking this question. So D-Day के लिए यार tips, I think I will agree to what Ankita just said right now, right? That I'll give you a stat, okay? You do 60% of the paper correct and you're in. You'll get more than 99%. Take my word for this, okay? So the idea over there is not to crack all the questions. Have a good self-awareness of what you're good at and what you're not good at. मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन देखती थी, मेरे को याद ही नहीं है ये क्या है. आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट जंप एंड लीव दैट क्वेश्चन, नेवर कम बैक टू इट अगेन. तो ये सोच लो कि एंड ऑल ऑफ यू जस्ट कंसेप्चुअली एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन डू. ऐसे सोचो कि पेपर मेरे सामने है एंड आई डोंट हैव अ टाइम लिमिट. इफ यू हैड टू डू ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू वुड बी एबल टू डू एटलीस्ट 80-90% ऑफ दोज, राइट? वहाँ जाके योर एम इज टू डू एटलीस्ट whatever you know correctly, right? Not anything less than that. And I think that is super critical. So have a good self-awareness of what you can do and what you cannot do. And whatever you can do, that should be कि हाँ ये तो मैंने बस गांठ बांध ली, इसको गलत करके नहीं आना है, right? और उतना ही चाहिए होता है. Like she rightly said, optimize for accuracy over number of questions, right? It's not necessary to crack all the questions. If people have given JEE, I'm sure a lot of you are from IIT. It's the same funda. Yeah, do the ones that you do correctly, right? Secondly, I think that is all technicalities, right? Another thing that I would really say for the D-Day is how you manage stress. That is the biggest problem. That is the biggest opportunity. That is the biggest challenge. If you crack that, half the battle is just won over there, right? उसके लिए थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट है. राहुल सर, कैन आई टेक 5 minutes?
5 minutes, go ahead. ठीक है. Okay, 3.
Can I take 2 minutes?
Go ahead.
So I don't do this. I didn't do this back when I was young. Matlab, not that I'm old right now, but like 2 years back when I was giving cat 3 years back. But I do this a lot now. Just do a thought experiment. ठीक है कि यार मेरे को मतलब मेरा aim क्या है, right? What do I want to get out of getting into a premier B school of India, right? I think that answer is very critical. वो आंसर अगर होगा ना, imagine yourself 5 years ahead, imagine yourself 10 years ahead. You're like, okay, shit, 10 years is too much. Forget it. Imagine yourself 5 years ahead. What do you really want to do? अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है ना दोस्त, then we have a bigger problem. So just get to that point where you know that I can walk backwards from those 5 years and who I want to be in those 5 years. What is it that it's going to take out of me to get where I want to get in that 5 years? Divide it into, let's say, 1 year journey, 6-month journeys, right? Call these sprints, call these whatever, right? At every point of that sprint, just evaluate where is it that this degree or this experience is really going to help me 5x pace up the process, right? And this is something that I do always as an entrepreneur, right? Because there's so many trade-offs. I always have to think about what is it that's going to make me run 5 times faster or be 5 times more efficient. If the answer to something is that, yaar, ye nahi kar raha fast, then I probably just don't even think about it, right? So along that journey, wherever you figure out, it could be in terms of knowledge, and it could be in terms of network, it could be in terms of whatever, the job that you're going to get out of B school. Wherever you feel that, okay, this experience is extremely critical to being where I want to be in whatever amount of time that you have in mind, then 2 things will happen. Either तुम्हें लगेगा कि नहीं यार ये तो मतलब like this is not critical at all, right? Or you will feel that it is super critical. In either of those cases, in the former, the stress will go away because now that this will not look like a big thing to you. In the second case, the motivation will really sort of overtake the stress. So I encourage everybody to do this thought experiment. Just do it. And in either case, you will emerge the winner in terms of how to manage stress on that day.
This is so amazing. By the way, sorry Swati for interrupting. Swati is IIT, then IIM, then McKinsey. McKinsey, right Swati?
Yeah.
So life
was
में
McKinsey.
was McKinsey life और then entrepreneur. So life में ना बस यही aim होते हैं और सब कुछ कर लिया life के अंदर. How cool is that? How cool is that? Great यार Swati. Swati, I'll come back to you on this, and let me just quickly go to Sagar. This is really great advice. Sagar, what do you want to tell? Sagar, you've joined us. Sagar is joining from FMS. Sagar, D-Day tips. Swati ने तो आज मतलब इनको 5 साल पूरे आगे के दिखा दिए हैं. Let's hear to Sagar as well and come back. Let me just check.
Sir, Sagar is not.
He's
joined
not able
yet.
to join in. All right, great. Let me go to Kirti. Kirti, I am Calcutta. Kirti, let's go to you quickly. चलो order में ही चलते हैं. I am Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, and I am Calcutta. कीर्ति की तो स्टोरी मैं सुना दूंगा अगर कीर्ति ने सच नहीं बोला आज. ये कीर्ति joined from I am Calcutta, a graduate of engineer from VGTI Bombay. Go ahead, Kirti.
Yeah, so I would like not really say ki calm down and everything because I know you won't be able to. So what you can do best here is that you can just do whatever you like watch a movie, watch your favorite movie, eat good food, and yeah, that's what I think you can do on the D-Day. And yeah, like Ankita said, like you can have your notes, like you can do a quick revision and everything. But I would say that just do whatever you like on that day. Don't stress out. Like it's difficult, I know, but just try to do something that you like. And on the D-Day, I just felt like there are lots of people around and some different kind ke log the and everything. So that's going to be very intimidating. So yeah, just do not focus on all of those things. Like just focus on what you have come to do there. And yeah, that's it from my end, I guess.
Super. So इसकी मैं स्टोरी बताऊंगा. सच्ची बताना कीर्ति, how many time you cried before a cat? सच्ची बताना.
Not a day before, but उसके पहले तो बहुत बार, like 10 days ago, and I don't even remember now. And even after cat also. But yeah, that's fine, I guess now.
That's fine. तो boys and girls, whatever stresses you, आप उसको रो के निकाल दो. इसको तो मैं ये हमारे ऑफलाइन सेंटर होता था बॉम्बे में, we used to meet. So I always used to, मैं बोलता कीर्ति चिल कर यार, हो जाएगा. इसका कॉल भी आ गया, उसके बाद another stress हो जाएगा. अभी सब कुछ हो गया है, life is good. I'll not talk much about job and internships. Life is really good for us. So boys and girls, Kirti, thanks for that. Let me go back to Moinak. Moinak, what's your takes in the last few days, man? तूने तो इनको बहुत पढ़ा भाई. Moinak sir, OP हो जाए chat के अंदर फटाफट. Moinak is joining in from FMS. Great. Moinak copy, Moinak copy. All right, this is so amazing. Moinak, go ahead.
Yes. So, yeah, I think all the relevant gyan has already been given, and I practically do not have a lot to add here. But yeah, I agree with what Ankita, Swati, and Kirti have mentioned till now. Yeah. So, the discipline that we have followed till date, as you have seen in all our mock analysis, that is to treat each section individually. You will remember that, guys. Yeah. One aspect on personal aspects is that please be familiar with the center. I have always mentioned you should always go and have a look at where you will be giving. I wouldn't call it the most important exam, but yeah, an exam in your life just to reduce anxiety and stress in your life. Okay. Have a look at the center. Be familiar with the environment. Do not interact with anyone on D-Day. It's your paper. It doesn't matter whatever came in the morning slot, afternoon slot. Your job is to go and nail the evening slot, right? So afternoon and evening people, if you're anxious about the morning one, simply just don't talk to people who have taken the morning slot, right? And keep a cool mind. You know, how we have kept it is not something that is going to decide your life. Yes, it is important, but you know, people make it irrespective of you clear CAT or you don't. It's a very important thing that you need to keep right now so that you do not take anxiety in your mind, okay? Because you know, अब तक जो भी हमने देखा है, सोचा है, किया है, it's all about being simple and just, you know, taking one question at a time. बस इस चीज को याद रखना on D-Day. And that's what will save you through.
Superb. That's so amazing. Boys and girls, let's go back. One parting thoughts, everyone. Ankita, last thing you want to tell them before I let you guys go. Guys, these are toppers of CAT, recent CAT in fact. And ये तो कीर्ति भी IIM Calcutta से join भी कर रही है. How cool is that? Ankita, any last line which you want to tell them? And we'll get back to Sudhanshu sir and the CAT King team in some time. Yeah. Ankita.
So there are 2 points which I would like to say. Firstly, before you go for the exam hall, please have something in your mind which motivates you. I used to listen to songs which motivated me. There will be something similar for you as well. And also please pray and then go. विश्वास खुद पे भी रखना, भगवान पे भी रखना कि अभी तक इतनी मेहनत अगर किया है तो कुछ तो फल मिलेगा, right? So have faith. And second thing is that when you go to the exam hall, there will be a lot of people, okay? And there will be like different kinds of people. Some will be studying and some will be very, very chatty and moving around here and there. You have to decide what you want to become, okay? I cannot tell you कि ये तुम चुप रहो या फिर, you talk. That is something which you have to decide on your own. But when you go inside the exam hall, you cannot be super chill and you cannot be super stressed. You have to keep your game face on. ये सोचना कि बाकी लोग भाड़ में जाए, मुझे अपना पेपर देना है, मुझे अपना मतलब मार्क्स लाके क्लियर करना है. So don't think about the rest of the world. लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रही. Doesn't matter. You have to give your exam and keep your game face on when you're entering the exam hall. That is all.
Superb. Swati, any parting thoughts? Swati, you still there?
Yes, I'm there and I'm
Yeah.
on mute.
Yeah.
Shit.
Go ahead.
Yes. So I think it's very important to realize one, of course, like Ankita said, right? Have faith in a higher power because that's important. Two, I think अपने दिमाग में ये सोच के चलना यार that CAT is just a stepping stone to what you want to do in life, right? It is, yes, it's going to shape your life. It's not a definitive of what life would mean after that. जैसे हमें लगता है राइट साइंस ले ली हाँ लाइफ सेट हो गई आईटी में घुस गए लाइफ सेट हो गई कैट कर लिया लाइफ सेट हो गई राइट लाइफ कभी सेट नहीं होती सेट होते रहती है और दिस इज जस्ट टू पुट दैट सेटअप प्रोसेस स्ट्रीमलाइंड इन सम फॉर्म और मैनर फॉर यू तो नेवर थिंक लाइक दिस इज अ डू और डाई सिचुएशन इट इज नॉट बट दैट सेड always keep your focus high always know what you want from the situation and just give your best attempt realizing that ये situation मेरे लिए कितनी important है. That's it.
Superb. That's so lovely. So guys, when you start thinking like that, CAT is just a stepping stone. Life is going to be easy. So de-stress yourself. It's going to be amazing. Kirti, any parting thoughts from IIM Cal?
Yeah, that is like I would just like to add on that this thing that CAT is just an exam. So don't take it too much seriously also and don't just like Ankita said don't just fool around also. So yeah, all the best to all of the people giving CAT.
सुपर यार, बहुत वाइजली सेड। उस दिन के आधे लोग बहुत ही चिल मोड में होंगे, आधे लोग बहुत सीरियस होंगे। इफ़ यू कैन फाइंड दैट बैलेंस, विल सी दैट अराउंड एज वेल। सम पीपल विल फूलिंग अराउंड, फाइनल ईयर के बच्चे इंजीनियर्स ऐसे ही देखिए कैट देने के लिए आए हैं। सम पीपल आर गोना बी लाइक टू मच स्ट्रेस लाइक लास्ट मिनट बुक्स, तो यू टू फाइंड योर बैलेंस इन बिटवीन। मोइनक, एनी पार्टिंग थॉट्स बिफोर आई let you go?
Yeah. So I guess, guys, it's been a long journey. We've been into it together since May, and I believe all of you all are prepared and good to go. Just two things. Just remember the way we read RCs. Yeah, I'm sure you must have seen it in various videos. Please follow that on D-Day. Question paper mode is your best friend. Yeah, you need to utilize it to your best, to the best ability. And don't look around. Check your system before you start the exam. Your notepad, ensure you're solving in a neat manner. Like we have solved LRDI till date. The data should be noted in a neat manner so that you're not confused. You know, a lot of times maybe you solved 3. In the end, you have finished all your 10, and there's just 5 minutes remaining. You have to come back to that one question. You will not be able to do it if the data is not noted in a neat manner. So just keep these things in mind and chill out. I'll again repeat my scores: 99, 99, 94, yet a 99.7 plus. So if one section goes downhill, doesn't matter. Ensure the other two go up. Okay. All the very best, guys.
सुपर बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, पार्टिंग थॉट्स। वन सेक्शन गोज डाउन, पुल इट अप। सो 2 सेक्शन में अगर तुमने 99% प्लस मार दिया, एक सेक्शन 94, विच इज ओनली 8 क्वेश्चन टू 9 क्वेश्चन राइट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन। राइट मोनेक्स, कुछ तेरे थर्ड वाला क्वांट था, तो क्वांट के अंदर 8 या 9 क्वेश्चन ठीक थे?
12 से क्योंकि तब 34 क्वेश्चंस होते थे।
34 क्वेश्चन थे, तो उसके अंदर 12 ठीक थे। नॉट बैड, अगेन मोर और लेस ऑन द सेम लाइंस एज वेल। तो भाई 34 आउट ऑफ 12, विच इज अराउंड 8 to 9 क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ 24 to 26 क्वेश्चन एज वेल। तो भाई अगर एक सेक्शन ठुक जाएगा, उस समय हैंग ओवर मत करना और आगे बढ़ते जाना। इट्स गोना बी रियली हेल्पफुल। गाइस, a big thank you to Swati, Ankita and Kirti and Moinak for the time. Thank you, Swati. We'll get on the call with you, and Kirti and Moinak will talk further. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you
All
so-
the best.
All the best, everyone. All of you are gonna make it. So don't worry.
Inshallah. And guys, you're going to see these guys while your GDPI prep as well, and we'll do a session, the things to do inside the business schools as well, ताकि अंदर जाके भी तुम जो मोइना की कंपनी है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनीज जो स्वाति कंपनी है, या तुम्हें अंकिता की बेस्ट कंपनी में जाना है, हाउ टू गो इन देयर एज वेल। विल कीप ऑन गेटिंग देम बैक एज वेल। थैंक्स एवरीवन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन। टेक केयर गाइस, बाय बाय, सी यू लेटर, बाय बाय।